is played in D standard tuning with each of the strings dropped down a whole step. We're going to be looking at this song in standard tuning so you can learn it without having to detune, but if you do want to jam along with the song, you'll have to retune your guitar. The main riff for this song is going to start off with this chord shape. It's actually exactly the same chord shape that Sam uses for Pound Shop Kardashians. We've got the thumb over the top on the 5th fret of the low E string. You have a muted A string. We have the 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the D. We have the 1st finger on the 5th fret of the G, an open B string, and then the pinky finger takes the 7th fret on the high E string. It gives us this lovely A minor based chord in standard tuning, with the open kind of ethereal feel too. So we're going to start off by strumming the bass part of the chords, aiming for the E, A and D strings, and then we'll aim for the higher part, so the D, G, B and high E strings twice, and there's a little rest in between there as well. So bass, high, high, little pause in between. We'll then pick E, B, G, G. Okay, so the strum. E, B, G, G. Then we'll pick low E, high E, B, G. And the first bar slowly. One more time. Then we're going to move up to this lovely C bass chord while we're still in standard tuning, of course. We have the thumb over the top, 8th fret of the low E, 10th fret on the D with the 3rd finger, 9th fret on the G with the 2nd finger, 8th fret on the B with the 1st finger, and then pinky finger, high E, at the 10th fret and the A string. That's muted by the thumb here, and the tip of the 3rd finger. We're going to play the bass note, and then the top part of the chord twice with that little pause in between like we did for the A minor bass chord there. So we've got the bass, high, high, then we'll pick low E, high E, B. So bass, high, high, low E, high E, B. Then we're going to pick the low E again and the G, and then we're going to slide the chord up 2 frets, strum it again, and then hit the open strings as we transition. I'm hitting the E, B and G there. So slowly we have bass, high, high, then we got E, high E, B, E, G, and then the strum, the slide strum off. We then go to an E minor chord. We're just going to play the low part of it, so E, A and D strings. Then we're going to pick E, B, G. And put the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the low E string. That's our new bass note. Pick high E. We're going to add 2nd finger to the 2nd fret of the G string. And then pick B. So we have the E minor, E, B, G. Bass goes to 2nd fret on the low E, high E, 2nd fret on the G. Go to the 3rd fret on the bass on the low E string, E, B, G, so 3rd fret on the low E, E, B, G. Then we're going to go to this lovely D bass chord, which is exactly the same as the C chord, just up 2 frets. And we're not going to strum it, we're actually going to pick A, B, G, D. Okay, and that's the kind of run up into the last part of the chord, riff, sorry. So we have E minor, bass on an F sharp, G, and then that lovely D chord. One more time slowly is that E minor chord, 2nd fret on the low E string, go into the G chord, then our lovely D chord. Then we're going to move the chord shape down to a C chord. We'll play the bass note of this twice. We're going to pull off 1 to open on the B string, hit the open G, and then play 3 on the A string again. So then we're going to run down an A minor chord. We have A, G, D, B, and we'll finish off with G, D, high E open. So we have the 3 on the A twice, 1 pull off to open on the B, grabbing the G open, 3 open on the A, then we go 2nd fret G, 2nd fret D, 1st fret B with the A minor chord, then we have G, D, high E open. slowly is the A minor bass chord. Then up to the C chord. Little slide up to the D, open. E minor, F sharp, G. Lovely D minor, D major voicing, down to the C. Finish off with that A minor. When we do the riff from that point on, we don't do the first drum on the bass part of the A minor bass chord. We just do the da, da part with the 2 strums on the high part of the chord. For more Sam Fender guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Thanks for watching this one. Happy practicing and take care.